he could keep me out of his studio. But here I am. Unsurprisingly, Kyle failed again. He at the Computech in Asia, ran with my people. So I thought, since he away, I break into his house, take a big in his hotline PC, eat his cat, and hijack his YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by a Gigabyte. That's why so many Gigabyte products. I think they sponsor me because their employee look just like me. You know, they probably look at me and think, we can trust him. You can't trust a Kyle. You don't even know what country Kyle from. He looks like a mud dog. But let's talk about the PC part. So first we have the Intel Core i9 9900K, which means Intel favorite number must be 9. We also have a 16GB Aorus RGB DDR4 3200 speed. Okay, this comes with a 4 stick, but 2 stick are like an Instagram model. Okay, they look really nice, but they kind of dummy and they don't really work. Here we have a 512GB Aorus RGB M.2 NVMe SSD. Okay, this one has a performance of Mike Johnson, in the size of Kyle Johnson, and the sexiness of Dwayne Johnson. It's a perfect drive, okay? Very nice. We have an Aorus ATC 800 CPU cooler. Its job is to keep the 9999 very cool. The main board is a C390 Aorus Master, okay? Better than the Slave. Just below we have a big daddy, okay? I love daddies. Aorus Extreme RTX 2080 Ti. Very fast card, okay? In China, this is worth more than a firstborn child. You know, unless your firstborn child is Kyle, then this is worth double. For the power supply, we have Aorus P750W, okay? 80 plus gold, made of solid gold, must be very expensive. Then below that we have a case, A300G. The G stands for grass, not grass, grass, okay? Tempered grass, the RGB, so sexy. Okay, you find a link for the product in the description. Now we build a PC. But first, Confucius say to use protection. You don't want to shock yourself, you know? Just kidding. What kind of stupid you think I am? Okay, the first thing first. Install the CPU. Open the socket. Say open wide like a dentist or gynecologist. Okay? CPU go in very careful. Very careful. Smooth. Then you roll. Then you roll this one. And it pop out. Right at that. CPU install. Wham bam, thank you man. Here we do the memory. Got to push it down. Quick. Push. Push. And then you install the memory. Now remember we have the 2 stick that is a stupid stick. The demo dummy stick. We call this a Kyle stick. So first we install Kyle. This is the smart stick. See? It's a real, has the actual contact. We call this the Ryle stick. Dummy Kyle stick. And then one more Ryle. Ta-da! CPU cooler. Got the back plate installed. I don't like the CPU cooler. No two installation the same. You know, they say, life is like a CPU cooler. You never know how the to install. Okay, we apply the thermal paste now, okay? Very important. So make sure you take notes. Okay, so you just apply a little, wrong video. Okay, you just need a little bit, see? Grain of rice, fried rice method. That's all you need, okay? Was that so hard? Then the CPU cooler go down, okay? You just mount it like this. This is the only kind of mounting Kyle know how to do. Just a little more. What the? How the fudge monkey this happened? So look at the screw. So the screw pole right here. No pole here. Because it went inside. It snapped straight off. Broke inside. We cannot use this cooler. Son of a bitch. Which one of my relatives in China do I have to scrap for this? Okay, I go find a new cooler. Give me like a 10 minutes. Okay, I installed the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4. Huge cooler. It's big. It's black. It's one step away from being not safe for work. It's huge, okay? I call it the BBC, Big Black Cooler, okay? It's got a big fan here. There's supposed to be fan here too, but I say, go away fan, because I want to see the RGB on the memory module, okay? So, bye-bye fan, hello epileptic seizure. Now to the S to the S to the D. Got to remove the cover first, so sexy. Move the screw you, screw down baby. Okay, you know, I really like the eagle, you know. It make me think, what endangered species do I want for lunch, you know? Make my tummy hungry. In we go, drop it like it's hot, okay? Beautiful. Fit like a glove. Look at that. Perfect clearance. The case big enough to fit the big boy. Now we do my favorite thing. Screw with confidence. You know, Gigabyte sponsored Kyle 2 years ago to do a speed build at Computech. But how can you do something fast when your brain is slow? Kyle did a terrible job. This time Gigabyte make a smart choice to sponsor me. That's why I think they're going to be successful company. Kyle like a successful minus the cessful. He just sucked. Finally, we saved the best for last. Big Daddy coming in hot. You know, I think the PCI Express strap is getting moist. It's so excited. I can respect this product very much, you know. The length, the girth, it's very impressive, you know. They say size doesn't matter. You know who says that? Kyle. And I think you know why. Okay, I think I'm finally done. So I turn the system on so it can turn you on, baby. Holy moly, the build works so good. So nice, so beautiful. I did such a good job. Please hold your applause till the end. I know I'm fantastic. So, you know, I also need to destroy the evidence before Kyle get back or I'd be in big trouble. So I decide just now to give the system away to one of you, lucky winner. Win and take home this system. International giveaway, okay? I pay for shipping, I don't care. Okay, I sell my body on the street so I can pay for shipping. I don't care. Follow the link in the description below to learn how to enter, and best of luck to all of you. And you know, I'm not sure when we see each other again. You know, I don't always hijack this channel, but when I do, Kyle usually gets a strike, so I try to be back as soon as possible, okay? Thank you so much. Toss a like, subscribe, and all that. Thank you to Gigabyte for the build, okay? I see you all next time. Bye-bye.